Panasonic teased the successor to fan-favorite the Lumix GH4, but now the GH5 is a real camera, and a showstopper at that. It's got a ton of new, useful capabilities, advanced video options, beefed-up photo capabilities and enhancements to Panasonic's already fast and accurate autofocus system, in addition to bringing it up to date with the current generation of Panasonic features. In conjunction with relatively small micro Four Thirds lenses, Panasonic packs a lot of pro power into its flagship mirrorless. You'll be able to get your hands on it in the US around the end of March or beginning of April, for a competitive body-only price of $2,000. I don't have other pricing or availability yet, but that converts directly to £1,620 and $2,775. The 12-60mm f2.4-4 lens that Panasonic announced at Photokina should be available around the same time, and there should be a kit with that lens, though we don't have pricing yet for the lens or for a kit. Like the current generation of high-end micro Four Thirds cameras, the GH5 upgrades to a 20.3 megapixel sensor, and like Olympus modern line has dropped the anti-aliasing filter from it for sharper photos. It also gets Panasonic's latest version of its Venus engine processor. The faster sensor readout and processing speed enable almost all of the upgraded capabilities, and tweaks the algorithms for better detail handling and noise reduction.